In this exercise, we will see how to draw the angle bisector of an angle. But before that, I'm going to explain why this is the method. If, on a circumference like this one, whose center is point O, we have a chord like this one AB, the perpendicular bisector of the chord will go through the center of the circumference, and it divides the encompassed angle into two congruent angles. The angle that these two radii that go each one through points A and B form is divided by the perpendicular bisector of the intercepted chord into congruent angles. So, the perpendicular bisector of the chord is at the same time the angle bisector of its encompassed angle. If we want to find out the angle bisector of this angle, we have to establish that this is the angle determined by a chord of a circumference, and then find the perpendicular bisector of that chord. Using point A as center, we draw an arc any radius long so it meets the straight lines that form the angle at points 1 and 2. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector of the chord 1, 2, which is not necessary to draw. Using points 1 and 2 as centers, and the radius we want, as long as it's noticeably longer than half the length of the line segment 1, 2, and without changing the radius, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 3. The angle bisector of angle A is the line that goes through points 3 and A.